Looking for the best circular saw to take your woodworking, DIY, or construction projects to the next level in 2026? In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best circular saws of 2026 based on power, cutting performance, durability, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend DIY enthusiast, there's a perfect option on this list for your needs and budget. We've compared the latest models from some of the most trusted brands in the industry to help you make the right choice without wasting time or money. Stick around until the end to see which circular saw earned our top spot and why it stands out from the competition. All product links are available in the description below, so you can check current prices, read customer reviews, and learn more about each model. Let's get started. 5. CCC CS02. Upgrade your DIY projects with this powerful 4.8 amp corded circular saw, delivering up to 4,000 RPM for fast, efficient cutting. Engineered to provide 20% higher cutting efficiency than standard mini circular saws, it's ideal for home renovations, furniture building, woodworking, and creative craft projects. The integrated laser guide and guide rail system help ensure straighter, more accurate cuts, while the dust extraction adapter connects to most vacuums to keep your workspace cleaner and your cutting line visible. Unlike ordinary circular saws designed only for wood, this versatile tool includes 3 4.5-inch blades, TCT, HSS, and diamond, allowing you to cut wood, soft metal, tile, and plastic with ease. Adjustable cutting depth and 0° to 45° bevel settings provide the flexibility needed for both straight and angled cuts. For added safety, the dual switch design requires simultaneous activation of the power switch and safety lock before operation. Weighing approximately 50% less than traditional 7.25-inch saws, this compact and lightweight circular saw offers comfortable one-handed operation, making it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, men, women, and seniors alike. 4. Skill 5280-01. Take on tough cutting jobs with confidence using this high-performance 7.25-inch circular saw, powered by a robust 15-amp motor that delivers an impressive 5,300 RPM for faster, smoother, and more precise cuts. The included carbide-tip blade provides long-lasting durability and excellent cutting performance, while the spindle lock allows for quick and easy blade changes. With a versatile 51° bevel capacity and a positive stop at 45°, this saw is perfect for a wide range of crosscuts, rip cuts, and angled applications. The integrated dust blower keeps the cutting line clear of sawdust, ensuring better visibility and improved accuracy throughout the job. Designed with user safety in mind, it features a safety lock, guarded trigger, and power-on indicator to help prevent accidental starts. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this circular saw delivers the power, precision, and reliability needed to get the job done right. 3. Bosch CS10. Experience professional-grade cutting performance with this powerful circular saw, engineered with a robust 15-amp motor that delivers exceptional cutting capacity up to 2 to 6 inches at 90°. Despite its heavy-duty performance, the saw weighs only 10.2 pounds, reducing user fatigue during extended projects. The durable die-cast magnesium footplate ensures superior flatness and long-lasting reliability, while the lightweight magnesium upper guard enhances strength without adding extra weight. Optimized sightlines and Bosch-exclusive bevel louvers direct blower output to clear dust from the cutting path, providing maximum visibility and precision. Featuring a convenient built-in saw hook for easy storage between cuts, a versatile 56° bevel capacity for angled applications, an anti-snag lower guard for smoother operation, and high-contrast bevel and depth scales for quick, accurate adjustments. The removable end cap allows easy access to reusable brushes, making maintenance simple and extending tool life. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, this circular saw delivers the power, durability, and accuracy needed to tackle demanding cutting tasks with confidence. 2. Craftsman CMCS 551B. Take on tough cutting applications with the V20 brushless RP cordless 7.25-inch circular saw, engineered to deliver more runtime and better performance for demanding jobs. Powered by advanced brushless motor technology, this saw provides efficient power and extended tool life, helping you work longer with less downtime. Its durable stamped aluminum shoe and upper metal guard are built to withstand harsh job site conditions, while the 7 1/4 in blade offers an impressive 2 to 9/16 in its cutting depth and up to 56-degree bevel capacity for versatile cutting applications. An integrated LED light and large sight window improve visibility, allowing for accurate, confident cuts even in low-light environments. Whether you're a professional contractor or a serious DIYer, this cordless circular saw delivers the precision, durability, and performance you need to get the job done right. Battery and charger sold separately. For a complete demonstration and performance review, watch the product video on YouTube. 1. DEWALT DCS 391B. Experience powerful, precise cutting performance with this high-efficiency 6.5-inch cordless circular saw featuring a high-speed 5,150 RPM motor that effortlessly handles demanding woodworking and construction tasks. Designed for durability and accuracy, the lightweight magnesium shoe provides exceptional job site toughness while maintaining long-term cutting precision. The ergonomic rubber overmold grip delivers superior comfort, balance, and control for extended use. With a versatile 0 to 50-degree bevel capacity, you can tackle a wide range of angled cuts with confidence. The included 6.5-inch 18-tooth carbide-tipped blade cuts through material up to 2 to 8 inches deep at 90 degrees and 1 to 5/8 inches at 45 degrees, offering more cuts per charge and excellent efficiency. Convenient features such as keyless blade changes and a spindle lock help maximize productivity on the job site. Ideal for cutting lumber, plywood, and sheet goods, this portable wood-cutting saw combines power, speed, and precision, backed by a 3-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best circular saws of 2026. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a serious woodworker, or a professional contractor, there's a saw on this list that can help you tackle your projects with greater precision and efficiency. We hope this guide made it easier to find the perfect circular saw for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews and buying guides. Also, be sure to check out the product links in the description below for the latest prices, deals, and more detailed information on each circular saw featured in this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.